Hello, my name is Sayblee. I am the creator for Sayblee Vegan Hair Growth Product. I made these products with my 2 hands and my God-given brain. Sayblee product is designed to strengthen your hair, to repair hair loss, and actually to just keep your hair healthy. I am a trichologist, which is a hair and scalp scientist. Before that, I was a hairstylist for over 20 years. I retired in 2019 to focus on my product, selling my product to the world. I actually created this product for people who have hereditary hair loss, people who are, having medication hair loss, or even if you just want to use healthy, clean, plant-based product, this product is for you. I spent a lot of years, in the hair salon, looking at people's hair, seeing the needs for people's hair, and I developed this product. Now, before that, before I developed the product or before I even went to beauty school, I was having hair issue. I came to America and my hair was just thick and kinky and natural and just healthy, but people couldn't fix my hair well, and they relaxed it, and the relaxer started to damage my hair. And then I just said to myself, I need to come up with something. I cannot keep doing this relaxer because the relaxer is going to ruin my hair and I won't have hair. And the other reason why I created this product was I was raising a little girl and I was also looking for a safe, healthy product for her. And all of those things put together, I started to go to beauty school. And in beauty school, I found out that this product was not really safe and healthy. And I said to myself, I'm going to make a clean, healthy, good product one day for mankind. And it also happened that I was already using, my own way of eating to really take care of my hair and my daughter's hair, and like my herbs. This is one of them, and that was something I was using, and many other herbs I was putting together, and my hair was being healthy. And later on, I just, when I started this vegan, clean, plant-based product, it wasn't a lot of people into this business, especially on the hair growth side. So I'm happy that we're setting the trend and seeing a lot of people in the market now for this product, or to go the more safe, healthy, natural way to make the product. But my main goal here for my product is to actually nourish people's hair from the inside out. So from the follicle into the hair shaft, and part of, actually from the follicle into the cortex, and then out of the cortex, the hair shaft or the hair strand can really be healthy, strong, easy, and pliable. Sayblee Vegan Hair Growth Product is something I'm really proud of, and I'm happy to share it with so many people. I'm happy when so many people come back and give all of these testimonials, and very happy that it has transformed their hair. Our goal actually is to make customers to actually use this product and really feel like the product is improving their hair over time. And that is very important to me. The product is like food, good food. When you eat good food well enough, it shows on your body. And so the product is like when you use it well enough, it shows on your hair. And I'm happy to see all of those reviews.